I've been working on heavy equipment for close to 20 years now. I started out in Texas, moved to Wyoming, worked in the oil field, coal field out there, and then decided to head back out to the south of Kentucky. Been out here close to 12 years now, so it's just something I've done, half my life. Working in remote locations, like Alaska, it's so remote out there. I mean, you get parts in, takes forever. So you gotta be on top of your game. You gotta look ahead, you gotta see where parts, you gotta see items you're gonna need, and you gotta plan for 3 to 4 weeks of shipping. It's a lot different environment, and being very remote, man, you gotta have the stuff there to fix it. If not, you're gonna be down for a long time. Machines are just so complicated these days. You got air over hydraulics, electrical over hydraulics, everything starts changing. So the more the technology advances, the harder it is. So, you always run into those problems. They're just a pain in the ass, but you gotta put your head into it, you gotta figure it out. Being the mechanic in the field, you always deal with production. So you gotta keep yourself level-headed. I don't get too worked up. I keep my head straight, and I try to get the job done as fast as possible. I know they need their machines up and going because you know what? People in production, that's their money, it's my money. You gotta keep it up and going, one way or another. Being in the field, guys, we're always jacking with each other. You might get a rubber snake, put in somebody's lunchbox, open it up, and they jump like crazy. You gotta have a laugh. If you ain't giving each other shit all day long, it ain't gonna be a fun day. So you're gonna work with me, you're gonna have some fun. When you're remote, you gotta have the equipment to actually hook up to it. So Jaltest really has good software to be able to hook up to these machines, see exactly what's going on with it. Without it, being remote, you're gonna call a dealership to come out, you're talking, it might be 2 weeks. So you gotta have the equipment on site to be able to fix this equipment and see exactly what it is. So Jaltest does a good job with that. So far, no problems. If you're in this field, you've been working on heavy equipment for a while, you know for a fact you gotta have the equipment to do it. And Jaltest has stepped up. They hook up easy, everything's there. Troubleshoot faults, everything you need. So if you have it, you feel more confident, you can do your job better. Do your job better, guess what? Someone's gonna pay you some more money. No matter where I go, I'm always gonna take my Jaltest with me. I gotta have it. It's a necessary tool you have to have. I don't care what the cost is. Man, it saves you time and money.